Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I'm the Apprentice, and today we're going to be talking about heat on your beard. What are some of the pros and cons?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Okay, so let's be honest, this is not a blow dryer. This is a heat gun that we use here at the factory. And also, we don't typically have blow dryers or heat straighteners around here, but that is what we're talking about today, the pros and cons of using heat on your beard. Now, we have found in our research that this is kind of a controversial topic regarding beards. So I'm going to be bringing up some of the controversy, some of the things that people think are bad, also some of the things that people think are good. Because here at Fable, we're trying to just get the whole story, and we're going to let you guys in the comments kind of talk it out and everything. I'm also going to recommend another YouTube channel at the end of the video so you guys can see what they think about it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's start out with some of the benefits, pros. Now, in my research, what I have found, there are three main overall benefits that a lot of people seem to notice. First off is less ingrown hairs. Now, that is a pain. I've had to deal with some ingrown hairs as I start to grow out my beard again, or even way back when I was starting and it was kind of discouraging. Now, I don't typically use heat on my facial hair. I don't usually use it on my face, especially when starting out. But when my beard was longer, I would sometimes use a blow dryer when it comes to getting some of the ingrown hairs out. It was a process. It takes some time. But in doing so, the heat and taking care of your skin underneath, it can eliminate some of those ingrown hairs. Let me know in the comments, what are your experience with that? And do you use heat to battle it? Or do you just kind of suffer through it? Or just let us know what your thoughts are. Now, another benefit of using heat on your facial hair, specifically with a heated straightener, this can help reduce dandruff. The straightener and even a heated comb, this can comb out your beard more efficiently. This is getting rid of any kinks. This is just working it from as close as you can get without hurting yourself down to the tip. This is helping the process of taking care of your skin, especially when the possibility of yeast kind of forming on your skin. It reduces any possibility of dandruff. And of course, the biggest benefit that I hear a lot of people talking about when you are using heat on your facial hair, and even in my own personal experience when my beard was much longer, using heat can help with styling. Of course, we try to use balm in order to help it keep its hold, but using heat, especially in the morning, it's going to be frizzy, it's going to be everywhere, kind of bent out of shape. So using any product that you can is one thing, but heat definitely helps capture and makes it more malleable so you can push the hairs in the directions that you want it to go. So it's always nice to have some sort of style in your long, luscious beard. All right, and now it's time to talk about some of the cons, some of the not so great parts about using heat. Now, this one is a little difficult to talk about because, like I said, there's some controversy here. So it's hard to give all of the answers regarding these topics. Now, the first con that I would say is it takes time. The longer your beard is and the more heat that you attempt to use throughout your beard, this is going to take up a really long time. Even when my beard was, down to my collarbones, if I had to use heat in the morning, even just in addition to my normal routine, I don't even want to think about how long that would take me. That means I'd have to get up way earlier in the morning, and nobody wants that. So yeah, it can take time. But if you're willing to put in the time, it is a huge benefit to the growth and care for your beard. And lastly, the last con that we have here is, this might be triggering to some people, heat damage. This is where the controversy kicks in. I'm hearing a lot of bearded adventurers out there saying that it's only heat damage if you let the straightener on for too long, or it's, just if you're using it excessively, then it can be a problem. If you're drying out your skin, if you're drying out the hair, then it can be damaging. But there are a lot of adventurers out there that maybe their hair just doesn't work as well with heat. So let us know what your experience is regarding using heating products, straighteners, combs, blow dryers, anything like that. I know in my own personal experience, it does take a little bit of time for me, especially because I'm not so used to it. I don't think that the styling of it is worth the time, but I don't necessarily feel like my hair was damaged at all. So I'm kind of in the middle where it just depends on the day, I guess, when I go to use it. And at the end of this video, I did say that I wanted to point you in the direction of another YouTuber. If you look for The Teacher, or Dan C. Bearded, as many other bearded adventurers know him as, he is a huge advocate for heat on the beard. And I won't say anything on his behalf. I'll just go ahead and point you in that direction and go check out his channel. He's got a lot of great content. We really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We're trying our best to put out any tricks or tips or even stories that are all beard related. We really appreciate your support. And if this is the kind of community and channel that you're looking for, please consider subscribing and tolling the bell so you can get notifications whenever we do post anything on YouTube. Well, thank you once more, adventurers. We hope that you all have a wonderful time looking through all of our content. And the next time that you go to make a purchase at Fable Beard Co., be sure to put in the discount code The Apprentice to get 25% off your next order. So as we say here at the end of all of our videos, may your beards be forever blessed and fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.